Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I have some hauls and some thank yous to do really quick. So I lost this video. I don't know where it went, but I wanted to thank Lisa and Charlene for the beautiful cards that you sent in sympathy for my the loss of my brother. And then Lisa sent one of the adorable Easter cards, and inside it was funny, she says you have everything, but she sent me some really cute stickers and this little tag. Look at these stickers with the daisies. Aren't they so cute? And look at this, is like a little inchie that she made with the sticker, and daisies with strawberries. And she sent me a box top for my grandson. That's exciting. He'll be here this weekend, and I'll give it to him and tell him that you sent it. And some more little daisy, and another little, this one is like from a magazine and put on book paper. I love it. Love it. And some more little daisy stickers. I love this. I'm going to put this in with my garden journal stuff. And then this piece of teal paper that is really pretty. And I will be able to use that in the teal projects that I have coming up. So thank you so much, Lisa. Thank you for being so thoughtful. And that was way fun. And then I had a little note. I love it. And then Jana, I don't know if there was more to this, because I went ahead, I did this video a while ago and I can't find it anywhere. But this was so cool. She sent me a copy of the language, excuse me, the language of flowers. And I'm going to be able to use this along with what I have. That is so awesome. To be, we're going to do some words. So after we get our Spring Blossom Junk Journal all finished, which it's just about there, give you a sneak peek, a little chunk. Then we will have words that are flower words that are going to be able to go throughout, and it is going to be a file that you'll be able to cut up and use in any of your projects. So then she also sent me this amazing stationery. I absolutely love this. I love that it's doors. I mean, and windows. Doors and windows. So, thank you so much, Jana. Like I said, I honestly cannot remember if there's more to this, but I thank you. I appreciate you, and I cannot wait to use that. So, there's a couple of other cards that were sent, and they're in the living room. Oops. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always being here. We're just about done with the Spring Blossom Junk Journal, which is exciting. And we will get to go into some other things that I have hanging around here to make. And so again, thank you for being here. Thank you for all the fun. Have a great day. Bye. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.